Lesson 2 is, now that we know where C is, we simply use the alphabet to find the rest of the keys. So if this is C, moving up the keyboard is D, E, F, G, and then G is as high as we go with the alphabet. We start over with A, B, and then there we're back to C. Again, those two black notes indicate there's a C. So here's a C. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 notes. And then we start over with the new octave of C. So that's all there is to it for that. Now, I also want you to know that if you're starting with the C note, and that becomes the main note for whatever song you're playing, that means you're playing in the key of C. So this would be the key of C if we start on the C note. Now, in order to learn kind of the structure of how music works, you need to go ahead and start associating these numbers with the letters. So if we're in the key of C, C becomes note 1. So this would be C or 1, D or 2, E or 3, F would be the 4, G would be the 5, A would be the 6, B would be the 7, and then we start back over with C being note 1 again in the key of C. Now, why that's important is I'm going to show you how to play chords very easily, very quickly. What we're going to do for the key of C is we're just going to play every other note in the number structure. So 1, 3, and 5. There is a C chord. That's called a standard triad, and that C, E, and G are the keys for that chord, or the notes for that chord, and that's 1, 3, and 5. You've probably heard a third or a fifth, and you've heard people sing la 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 la. That's what they're doing. They're using the first, the third, and the fifth, and playing the main 3 notes for the C chord. So there's lesson number 2, how to identify notes and numbers associated with those notes and how to build basic chords.